Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today because we are talking about diamond painting. So this keychain is from Diamond Art Club. This is their Easy Gems line. This is a full diamond painting kit, so everything comes with it that you need. This is the Wakanda Warrior Black Panther keychain kit. Shouldn't take me long to do it all. This kit consists of large gems and they give you some instructions on the back. I shouldn't have to kit this up or anything. I'll just open each color and pour it in the tray and complete the diamond painting. So I can't wait to show you my finished product. So when you open the kit, it looks like this. Look at how gorgeous this Wakanda warrior is. I cannot wait to complete him. And you get the toolkit. And this back page tells you all the things that come with this diamond painting kit, which is standard across the board for Diamond Art Club. I love this packaging and this picture, so I will definitely be keeping this packaging to use in my logbook in the future. If you've never seen a Diamond Art Club toolkit unboxed, this is how it looks. You get some extra baggies for your gems. You get their phenomenal tray here with the extra wax and a multi-placer, meaning you can pick up multiple gems at one time. I love their trays. I love how wide they are. And the tray also comes with a locking mechanism here, so you can remove this when you're pouring out your drills and keep it locked when you're using your drills. They also give you some extra putty to put in the twist and pick pin. So this is Diamond Art Club's twist and pick pin. And I untwisted the wrong thing. You're supposed to untwist the top here. Give me a moment. Now that I've taken the top off successfully, you can see the wax there coming out. The wax is already in the barrel, and you have a multi-placer on this end as well. So this looks like maybe a 3 pickup, and the other multi-placer picked up more than 3. Okay. And then this is the top to the twist and pick pin. I always have trouble with these. These are not my favorites, but they are a great quality pin from Diamond Art Club. So this is the acrylic keychain. It is front and back, all numbers. So you will have to diamond paint the front and back of the keychain. This is the thank you card. That includes your instructions on how to diamond paint if you've never diamond painted before. These are the jimmies. I love that they're sparkly. All of these drills are very sparkly and luxurious. So perfect for Black Panther. There's only 7 colors. I love how quick this is about to be. I love quick, simple, and easy projects. This is how he turned out. He is stunning. I did roll over him with the brayer, and I did seal him with the diamond painting glue from Hobby Lobby. You can get this for $3.99 at any time from Hobby Lobby. They keep that stocked. I love the different sized gems that we have here. We have some larger blue ones here. And I love the color of like this silver gray. So we have some big gems and small gems. This is double-sided. It is a keychain. I did use the toolkit to complete this. And I'm saving my packaging with my date and when I finished it to put in my logbook. I am storing my remaining gems in this Hobby Lobby container. I do plan to mix all of the gems together at some point. I'm gonna put all my sparkly ones together and then put all my matte gems, leftover gems together. I'll probably end up using them for shakers inside like my little barrel pins that I have. He turned out fantastic. So I'm going to actually link him to my diamond painting dangle that I'm building up here. I have a very large diamond painting dangle. I need to add some type of extender to make it longer. Because I kind of want it longer than what it is. It's very chunky right now. This is my turtle from Diamond Art Club. That turned out really great. So I'm going to link him to the rest of the crew. There he is. I linked him to my little llama boo here. I'm gonna get another extender. When I say extender, I just mean like a longer keychain. This is very chunky. I want it to continue to like flow down. I love diamond art that I can use on keychains. You can also put this on a purse. You can put any of these on a purse. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you're working on, and let me know if you plan to get the Black Panther Wakanda Forever diamond art kit. Wakanda Warrior, but it's always Wakanda Forever. If you know, you know. I always have fun doing these. Catch you later.